Welcome everyone to another detailed review. Today we are going to talk about the Itel S25 Ultra, which is a premium and stylish smartphone and offers excellent features in its price range. Let's explore its specifications and features in detail. If we talk about the build quality of the Itel S25 Ultra, this phone comes with a slim thickness of 6.9 millimeters, which gives it a sleek and stylish look. The phone weighs only 163 grams, which feels quite lightweight during use. Additionally, it has an IP64 rating, which makes it dust and water resistant. Another unique feature is its RGB ring notification light provided on the back of the phone. It looks very modern and attractive. Fingerprint, under display, optical, unspecified sensors. The Itel S25 Ultra features a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel, which supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. Its brightness level is outstanding, 1000 nits HBM, and up to 1400 nits peak brightness. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection, which protects it from scratches and drops. And yes, the always-on display feature is also provided, which gives it a premium feel. This phone uses the Unisoc T620 chipset, which is based on 12nm architecture. Its performance is quite smooth for mid-range tasks. The phone runs on Android 14, and along with it, you get the Itel OS 14.5 interface. Itel has also promised 2 major Android upgrades, which is a plus point. The Itel S25 Ultra offers 3 storage options, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, all paired with 8GB of RAM. For storage speed, UFS 2.2 technology is provided, which makes data transfer and app loading fast. There is no confirmation about the card slot yet, but the internal storage options are sufficient. Now let's talk about the cameras. The main camera of the phone is 50 megapixels, which comes with an f1.6 aperture, meaning it will perform well in low-light photography. Along with it, a macro lens and an auxiliary lens are also provided. You can record videos in 4040p and 1080p. For selfie lovers, a 32 megapixel front camera is provided, which captures wide-angle shots. Selfie video recording also supports 1440p and 1080p. Talking about the battery, it has a 5000 mAh battery, which can easily last for a day. For charging, 18 watts wired support is provided, and a bypass charging feature is also available, which is good for long-term battery health. For connectivity, the phone has a USB Type-C 2.0 port, and it supports NFC and an infrared port. However, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack, which might be disappointing for some users. Information about FM radio is still unconfirmed. The phone's design and colors are also very premium, available in shades like Bromo Black, Meteor Titanium, and Komodo Ocean, which match every user's taste. So friends, the Itel S25 Ultra is an all-rounder phone that comes with a sleek design, excellent display, and decent performance. If you're looking for a mid-range device, this phone can be considered. Do share your opinions in the comments. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.